full load of material from Carl, and yeah, Carl, my gardener. Too much probably for what I need, but I want to have a look at the first compost that I started making today, and then yeah, probably turn it into the second base, see how it looks, and try and get my leaf mold compost sorted as well. So I'll show you my compost base, and then yeah, we'll take it from there. So that's my compost base. That's a bit of the mess. I'm going to try and clear that today. I'm going to try and turn that into there today. So let's have a look how we can do that. So I gave up on the talking into the phone, and I've just come onto the mic at home. So as you can see, I'm lining my second bay. I thought I would line it with cardboard and get it ready for turning. As I unclipped the size of the first bay, I'll show you it as I took off the side. The compost, yeah, it looked okay, but for me, it didn't seem like it needed any turning, so I just left it as it was. Please let me know what you think, but I think it looked okay. Let me know what you think. As you can see, it's still very green, so I just left it. So onto my leaf mold area. Just wanted to clear all the debris and basically just finish off the sections of the bays and just make one bay at the end there just for my leaf mold. So yeah, I started clearing and also start to get the rubber and plastic off the floors, because I'm on the next stage after doing the compost bins, because I think the compost bins are going to be the heartbeat of the garden really. So I just wanted to do those first, and then after that it's going to be a matter of building the beds. I'm still in two minds on how I'm going to do it. I'm going down the traditional garden bed route of just making long beds, I think, on allotment 1. I'm trying to make it as productive as possible, but yeah, nothing is in concrete, so I'll see how it goes. But yeah, I want to set up the last bay there at the end for my just a leaf mold. All them bags, they're just bags that I've collected from my road basically of leaf. And I thought I'll bring it down to the allotment and try and do a leaf compost, just leaves only. And I'm going to leave it in there for as long as possible. I've also got my drone Dalek compost bin there, which I turn, and I've had that there since September, I think. I've filled it up since, and I've just left that, so I'm going to turn that. You can have a look at it. And that does look slightly like compost. It is a bit, still got a bit of food waste in there, but I don't think it's that bad. So I'm just going to turn it back into the Dalek bin and leave it and let it keep on breaking down. But yeah, that's my first compost attempt. I don't think it's bad at all for first attempt. But give me any tips, guys, if you have any tips what you think I can do. You're mostly welcomed. So now onto my leaf bay. So I'm just gonna get that ready. This is me turning the garlic back into the back into the garlic bin. And then I get the bay ready for my leaf mold. So here's me just showing you what the material looks like in the garlic bin. It doesn't look bad, like right in the middle is quite broken down. It is a bit quite, I don't know, soft and moist. I think I was thinking maybe to put a bit of cardboard in there to give it a bit, maybe dry it out a little bit and make it less sort of sticky. But yeah, let me know your thoughts, guys. So the same way I make all my bays, I line it with cardboard. I think this method just helps with the warmth and decomposition of the material in there. It's just, yeah, I've got lots of cardboard, so why not? And it just keeps everything nice and neat as well. So I line the bay with cardboard, and then I empty all my bags of leaf into there, and let's see what happens. Never done this before, quite excited. This was a method I saw from a video from Hugh Richards, and he had kept some leaf just in a pile, I think for 2 years, and it had turned into compost, and he was using it as his like his potting mix for his seedlings. So this is going to be a long-term project for this bay, and I'm just gonna keep the leaf molds in it. And one of my ethos is try to make everything as cheaply as possible. So all these bags were just 3 bags of leaf that were collected on my road by the waste men. Not that sort of waste men, the waste garbage men. And yeah, I just saw it and I thought, oh, I could use that. That's what Hugh Richards used. Let me use that in my allotment. And as I might mentioned on previous videos, this allotment 1 is going to be my main composting station for the other allotments. I'm not really going to have any composting going on in allotment 2 or 3. I might, as I said, have a Dalek bin at both allotments 2 and 3, but I'm not going to have any like bays or anything like this. I'm going to try and let allotment 1 provide all the compost for all 3 allotments. That is the goal. I'm not sure if I can achieve that. Let's see what happens. So that's my leaf mold. That's all in there. Now I'm just going to cover it up and leave it and let it turn into compost, hopefully. Let's see what happens. I think that's going to be a long-term project, so I'm just going to leave that in there. Yeah, and then the other bays I'm going to use for normal compost, hopefully. Making compost in, I think, most of the videos and research I've looked into compost is about 6 months to a year. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what time length I'm looking at. That's why I've got so many bays, so that any debris or any kitchen waste or anything like that I've always got space to be composting. But yeah, that's the plan. Let's see what happens. So that's the end of my leaf mold bait. I'm just gonna leave that now to decompose, and then we'll have a look back, see what it looks like later. Thanks for watching, guys. See you lot soon. Thank you.